Duas for knowledge. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma anfa'ni bima 'allamtani wa'allimni ma yanfa'uni warzuqni 'ilman tanfa'uni bihi. اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وارزقني علما تنفعني به. اللهم انفعني بما علمتني وعلمني ما ينفعني وارزقني علما تنفعني به. O Allah, benefit me with that you have taught me, and teach me that which will benefit me, and grant me knowledge which will benefit me.